You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to fix Apple can't receive money. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to check if Apple Cash is enabled. So go to the settings, then click on wallet and cash paid, and click on Apple Cash. Then if it's turned off, enable it. And also you can also verify your identity. So to do this, open the wallet app, then tap on Apple Cash Card, then tap on more, which is the three-dot icon, then verify identity, then follow the instruction to complete the verification. Then also you can also check for pending payment. Open the messages, find the payment request. If it says pending, ask for sender to retry, and also ensure you have enough storage for funds. If your Apple Cash balance is full, transfer some money to your bank account to free up space. And also you can also check for Apple Pay restriction. Open your settings, then click on screen times and content. Click on content and privacy restriction, then allow apps. Then make sure your Apple Pay is enabled. Then also you can update your iPhone. To update your iPhone, go to the settings, click on general, then update the software and install any available update, and that's it. And also you can also sign out and sign in back into your ID, because this actually fits glitch, and restart your iPhone or your iPad. And that's how to fix Apple can't receive money, and that's how you can fix it.